In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal account and automatic feed to Xero. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Xero with the right permissions and have access to the PayPal account you want to connect. It helps to keep your PayPal login handy and to allow pop-ups in your browser, since Xero may open a secure window during setup. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the page, click your company name to open the main menu. From there, head into settings so we can adjust how customers pay your invoices and how your PayPal activity flows into Xero. Inside settings, choose online payments. This is where Xero manages payment gateways that place a Pay Now button on your invoices and, when supported, bring transactions into Xero automatically. Select. Add a new service to see the available providers. Pick PayPal from the list. If you already use PayPal with one brand or currency and want to connect another, choose Add Another Account so each PayPal login or currency is tracked cleanly. From here, Xero will guide you through a short connection flow. You'll be prompted to sign into PayPal and approve the connection. Keep your business PayPal selected to avoid mixing personal and company transactions. As you move through, you'll see options to enable the automatic feed, so payments, refunds, and fees flow into Xero without manual uploads. Make sure that's turned on for a smooth reconciliation experience. Once connected, Xero creates or links a PayPal account in your chart of accounts and begins importing transactions, typically daily. If you invoice in multiple currencies, confirm the currency associated with each PayPal account so exchange differences are handled correctly. You can also choose which invoice branding themes will show the Pay Now with PayPal button, so customers can pay you straight from the invoice. After the connection is active, head to your Reconcile screen to review incoming PayPal transactions. You'll see payments, refunds, and fees appear, ready to be matched to invoices and bills. If fees are grouped, that's normal. Xero records them as separate line items, so your income and costs are accurate. If you don't see new lines right away, give it some time for the first sync to complete and check that the feed is enabled in your PayPal service settings. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Keep your PayPal login secure with multi-factor authentication and periodically verify the connected account and currency settings. If you ever change your PayPal password or permissions, revisit online payments in Xero to reauthorize the connection. That's it. Your PayPal account is connected and your automatic feed is ready to keep your books up to date.